Alright, YouTube. As your four-wheeler plastic looks like this. Look at this. It's like not only oxidized, but there's like black mold in there. We've tried scraping it, tried a few things to like fix it because it looks like crap, really. But we found a way to do this, and I'm going to show you how. I'll show you some befores and afters. And not certain it's going to work right. We tried a little area, look at the difference. That's just a minute of monkeying around, but I'm going to get this done and then show you before and afters and during, and we'll go from there. Hopefully these plastics look a lot better. So we'll see how this works out. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is what you're going to need. Some paint thinner, boiled linseed oil, it has to be boiled. Some gloves, towels, eye protection, all of the above. So I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do as we go. Alright, so what you do is step one, we're just applying straight paint thinner. We're putting a little bit on the rag, and then go ahead, show them. Takes a little bit of elbow grease. But yeah, as you can see, look at the difference here from that to that. I mean, it's actually smooth to the touch there, and it's kind of a little bit porous right here. So you can keep going, see how this comes out. It'll take a while though. It does take some time scrubbing, but we got the helpers here. Okay, a little update. We switched to lacquer thinner because it's night and day better. Let me show you the difference with a little lacquer thinner. Here, David, show them this part. Let's go to this part right there. All right, go right on, like right there. Look at this. Hold on, get your rag wet first. Okay, check this out. Look at it. I mean, that was probably one of the worst spots, and it's just coming right through. All right, so lacquer thinner on stage one instead of paint thinner. Well, we're about halfway through now. Starting to look really good. We had to move it inside because got some bad weather outside, but I don't know, we might pull it back out before we're done. Anyways, I'll show you what step two looks like when we get there. I peeled some of these old stickers off that really didn't matter, and this lacquer thinner's kind of hard on them. I think you'll lose the stickers if you're not careful around them, but we're gonna try to be careful around some of these, and hopefully they won't come off. Alright, it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna start part two as David works on cleaning up around that sticker. So what you do on this part is you take linseed oil and paint thinner and you mix the two. It's got to be boiled linseed oil, otherwise it supposedly gets real sticky. So you want to put 40% boiled linseed oil and then 60% paint thinner in some kind of a glass. I got a little ball jar, so let me mix them together and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, this is basically the consistency, and what this does is when you apply it, it brings the shine back on this. It's hard to tell in the video, I'm sure, but this is kind of dull looking right here. So we're gonna put some of this on. It'll bring the shine back. Of course, it's starting to rain here. We got the remnants or whatever of Hurricane Florence coming through. So anyways, back to it. I'll let you See what it looks like in a minute. Alright, so we're starting the second phase. So yeah, so basically you just pour some on a rag like that and just work it right in all around. And that like restores the shine to the plastics. But it's incredible. I mean, take a look at this. Now look what it used to look like. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we're all done. Yeah, that oil mixture, you can go right over everything, just nice and light. And we're just kind of going over, and then we're going to let it get close to dry, and then we're going to wipe it off. We're actually not really scrubbing this in. We're just wiping it on and going pretty liberal to get the sheen back on this. I'll let you know how it looks in a few. Alright, that's about it. We'll walk you around and show you. I mean, it looks pretty good. There were some scratches here that were pretty deep that we never got out. But anyways, other than that, I mean, even the seat got all shined up. Don't even look like the same bike at all. So I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, that's what we did on ours. Little disclaimer, I don't know if the lacquer thinner or paint thinner has any long-term effects, negative effects on this, but from what I've read it doesn't. And this is just, it's not like painted plastic, it's the same color all the way through, so I think it's good. If anything changes, I'll update, but there it is. Looks about 100 times better. Alright, thanks for watching. Good luck.